Plan to travel on advance parole? As a DACA recipient, this question should be at the top of your checklist. Do you have a removal order? My name is Patrick Terrell and I'm an immigration lawyer. The following information is not legal advice. If you'd like personal advice for your immigration case, visit informedimmigrant.com/help to find legal help near you. Can DACA recipients travel on advance parole if they have a removal order or a deportation order? If a DACA recipient with a removal order travels abroad, even if they have advance parole, they will trigger negative immigration consequences and they might not be allowed back into the United States. Some DACA recipients may not know that they have a removal order. How can you find out whether you have a removal order? If you're a DACA recipient, there are a few ways to check if you have a removal order. The first step is to ask your parents or guardians if growing up you were ever in removal proceedings. Did you ever have to go to immigration court? If they're unsure or you can't ask them, one of the easiest ways is to call the immigration court hotline. In fact, you should probably call this hotline either way. The number is 1-800-898-7180. You'll need to enter your A number, which is the 8 or 9-digit number on your work permit labeled USCIS number. Follow the prompts and ask for decision information. The immigration court also has an online case information system where you can access the same information as the hotline. The link is acis.eoir.justice.gov. Some people might have two A numbers. This is rare, but it happens. Make sure you check all your A numbers if you have more than one so that you're not incorrectly informed about your case. Check immigration papers issued to you and your family to determine whether the A numbers you were previously signed are the same as the number that USCIS gave you when you got DACA. Another way to find out whether you have an old removal order is by filing a Freedom of Information Act or FOIA request for your records with USCIS, Customs and Border Protection, ICE, and the government agency that runs the immigration court, which is officially called the Executive Office for Immigration Review. You could also request an FBI background check. The safest approach is to file records requests with all the government agencies that I just mentioned to determine whether you have a removal order. Remember, traveling outside the US with a removal order can lead to serious immigration consequences. For more information about advance parole, visit informedimmigrant.com/AP.